This camera is beating almost everything in its class, and now it's even cheaper. That sounds like hype, but in this case, it's actually true. The Sony ZV-E10 is one of those rare cameras that completely changes the game for beginners and creators, and right now it's available with a lens at a price that honestly feels unfair. So the real question is this the best budget camera you can buy in 2026? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what makes this camera so special. The ZV-E10 comes with a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor. That's already a huge upgrade over smartphones. Photos look sharp, colors look natural, and low light performance is actually solid. But here's the thing. Image quality alone doesn't make this camera special. The real magic is autofocus. Sony's autofocus is on another level. You get real-time tracking, eye autofocus for humans, and it just locks on and stays there. Even if you move, even if the lighting changes. This is something many expensive cameras still struggle with. And at this price, it's honestly crazy. Now let's talk about video, because this is where the ZV-E10 really dominates. You get clean 4K video. No complicated setup, no confusing menus, just press record and it works. There's also a flip-out screen so you can see yourself while filming, and if you're a YouTuber, this changes everything. But wait, it gets even better. Sony added features made specifically for creators. There's something called Product Showcase Mode. You hold an object in front of the camera, and it instantly focuses on it. No hunting, no delay, then there's background defocus. Press one button, and you get that cinematic, blurry background. No manual settings needed. This is exactly why beginners love this camera. Now let's talk about the deal, because this is where things get interesting. Right now, the ZV-E10 comes with the Sony 16-50 kit lens. This lens is small, lightweight, and perfect for everyday shooting. Wide shots, close-ups, vlogging, it can do it all. So instead of buying a camera and then worrying about lenses, you get everything in one package, and that's a big deal. But let's be honest for a second. This camera is not perfect. There's no viewfinder, there's no in-body stabilization, and the battery life is just okay if you're a professional. These things might matter, but if you're a content creator, most of these won't even affect you. So here's the big question. Who should actually buy this camera? If you're a YouTuber, this is perfect. If you're starting content creation, even better. If you're upgrading from a phone, this will blow your mind. But if you shoot high-end professional work, you might want something more advanced. Now here's the final truth. The Sony ZV-E10 is not trying to be everything. It's not trying to be the most powerful camera. It's trying to be the smartest camera, and right now it succeeds.